Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very beautiful knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like border, sweater, jacket, cap, cushion, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 6 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 3 plus 2 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 11 stitches on my needle. Multiple of 3, 9 plus 2 extra stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. We will knit all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, we will make a loop from the space after these 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3 stitches. So after the 3 stitches, insert a needle here like this and make a loop, knit twice like this, then knit first stitch. After that, now here are 2 stitches, so knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop. So here 3 stitches are formed, 1 loop, 1 knit stitch and 1 knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is make a loop from the space after these 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. After these 3 stitches, insert a needle here like this and make a loop, knit twice like this, then knit first stitch. After that, knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. Here 3 stitches are again formed. One more repeat. Make a loop from the space after these 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Insert a needle here. Make a loop, knit twice like this. Then knit 1 stitch. Then knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Friend, this is a loop that made in the previous row, so purl this also. Fifth row, slip the edge stitch, Then knit all the stitches in the 5th row. So let's complete the 5th row by knit all the stitches. Sixth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start. Friends, in 3rd row we will make a loop like this from this side. Now in this row we will again make a loop. So after the slip stitch our pattern will be start, and the pattern is insert a needle from here, from this side, after the 3 stitches like this, and make a loop purlwise like this. Then purl 1 stitch, then purl these 2 stitches together. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is insert a needle from this side, from the space after these 3 stitches 1, 2 and 3. So insert a needle from this side like this, and make a loop like this. Then purl 1 stitch, then purl 2 stitches together. One more repeat, make a loop from this side, from the space after these 3 stitches. So insert a needle from here and needle here, make a loop like this, then purl 1 stitch and purl 2 stitches together. In this way we will complete our 6th row. Last is our edge stitch, so purl that stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat our 4 rows for the desired length of the pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.